Hello guys. Hello guys. Today, on the last day with the last video of 2021, I am going to fix some bugs and then write the score and then write the text that's supposed to be here. And then code a bit where the people goes out. So let's get right into it then. So as I close this window, there's an error. I am going to fix a bug which appears which is in which is sometimes happens in player one. And there is a bug, obviously. This is so I am going to do 8, 8, 8, 8. If there is a bug, then bull.dx times 2, and so that should fix a bug. And now the last bit is to do this, to write the code. And also we don't want the speed. Also, if we don't want the speed to go too fast, if bull.dx if bull.dx if bull.dx greater than or equals to 10, bull.dx equals times equals negative 1 times equals 1 point. Actually divide equals to or bull.dy bull.dy divide equals to basically. So that is a finishing touch, and we need to do something else. Not that though. Left, right, score. So border dot go to, making sure the border is up. Border dot go to negative 500 0. Actually not 0. Negative 500 400. Border dot right. Actually, I should just so that I can make sure that I can reduce lag. So border dot up, basically. Border dot right. So player one. Player one. Player one. Player two. So basically backslash n puts it onto a new line. Player three. Player four. Or instead of player one, in the original code it's player one, but actually for this time I'm going to do red, blue, yellow, green. Because they're not called player one, player two, player three, player four, but actually red, blue, yellow, green in 4-player chess. And also we need to make these panels go out if their score format P1, P2, P3, P1 dot score, P2 dot score, P3 dot score, P4 dot score. And as I was saying, for the so for the a line, we need to make these players disappear because if they have 0 points, as in four-player chess, players get checkmated, and so they are out of the game. In four-player pod, where we are going to make them go out of the game the same way. So that means we are going to hide their paddles, and then as a and then make the ball act as if it's not there. Act as if the paddle is not there. Actors of paddles are not there. So they go onto the losers list, and that's what I call uh line equals left, odds equals Arial 20 normal. So let's try it out. Right score. Let's try it out. And errors. I knew it. Did I not set? Did I not set score for these players? Aha! I see it. He got score 10. Score error. Normal. Unknown font style. I am not an experienced person with this. So bold. Not sure. Looks like it's capitalizations. So a capitalization brought me down, and actually this is still bad. Should be about 10 actually. Too small. Bruh. Why? Bruh. Escape, please. Escape. 15 actually. As I was saying. Not there, 400 actually. Negative 500. Good. Actually, in the original code, as I got it from, I will refer to the original code because I may forget some crucial stuff. In the original code, I went to negative 700, 400, negative 700, 400. So negative 700, 400. Because I may forget some stuff. And I actually use a different border, but this time I'm not. Arial 15 normal, and forgot which side that I use. So I used 15 as well here. And so it's still not how I want it to be. Uh, oh. Negative 700, 400. So Actually, this should go to the border compartment. Now it should work. What? Clear problems with this. Oh, so there's problems with this. So it looks like I have to. It looks like I will have to set a new border one by force because 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 if I don't, then it just clears a border, and there's a problem. Aha, I got it. I didn't define border one. What? Okay, still nothing. There's probably problems here. I'll have to check to the aha screen.update. Still doesn't work. Is it off the screen? Mm, aha! It's because the one dot color white for the one dot up. I forgot to hide the turtle. Uh, what's the alignment that I use? So already I have problems with this. So negative 700, 400. So border. So which one did I use to? I just used border. So negative 700, 400. I should just write the original code basically. And it's written up there. That's good. And it's written a bit off the screen. Which this should be a bit better, although I'd like it a bit bolder. You don't have, of course, you don't have to have it bolder, but I'm not making the same mistake again. Ooh, very bold. Anyway, now now I have to do the hard work. Now I have to make losers list. Losers. Um, if x is bigger than screen size minus 0, Reese. So plus. So plus equals. So now. So if x is bigger than screen size minus 10, so if x, so the x coordinate is bigger than the right boundary, so that is p3 dot score negative equals to 1. Uh, right score. P3 dot update. P if that happens. But that is if P3 dot score is equal to is bigger than 0 if P dot score equals to 0. Notice it notice I put if because Elif will just skip it. Elif will just skip running the code. And if you just skip running this code, and then if you just put Elif, then the score will be 0, but it will not go here because this has already been satisfied. If you just put if, this doesn't need to be satisfied before this happens. And I just made the same mistake again without forgetting a colon. P3 dot score P3 dot score negative equals 1. P3 dot hide turtle. P3 dot actually if X is paddle hit core, P3 dot go to somewhere that will probably not affect the game. And else all.dx times equals to -1. P3 dot append losers. Actually losers dot append P3. So that's what happens. So actually this is P1. This is actually P1. P1. 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 2, 2, 2. Ball.dy. 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 2, 2. I I like I like the looks of this. I hope there isn't any bug in this. Good. So I'm going to let it go. And let's just fix a bug. Ball.set ball.go to x plus ball.dx times 2, y plus ball.dy times 2. Actually, oh, Ah, this is bad. And and right now we'll just and right now it will just go down. And now we are going to we will still use the losers. So if losers if losers dot if len losers is equals to 3, break. Like I don't like I'm like that's it. I'm not in this loop anymore. I don't want to continue this loop. No, stop. It's game over. So if if not in losers, uh then now we will need to do the code again. So reset border one dot go to 0 0 actually negative negative 500 0. Player one not in losers. Wait. Right. Right. Uh red one. Red one. If P2 not in losers, order one dot right, blue one. And yellow one. Green one. And to prevent any bowling waiting around, we'll just try to do this. To set the scores to actually be 1, so that we won't have to do any waiting around. So wait. Oh gosh. 1 actually, and red's out, then yellow's out. Then green's out. Green 1. So green 1. Red 1. A line equals 500, 600, 550. A line left, actually, left. So Fault equals Arial 20 normal. 20 normal. And it's a matter of copy paste. And there's that. Right, and now that bug happens. And if it hits that, I believe that it turns into just a green one. So now and now if P if if P1 if P1 equals or losers actually there's no such thing as losers 3. Losers 2 actually. And please do not say that the real loser is me, because then that would be not nice. Thank you. If P1 equals losers 2, so P1 got so P1 the border right red red is red came second. Actually red is second. In the original code I really didn't do this. So wow. I hate this. P2, P3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, not 4, 2, 3, 4. Anyway. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Are not all red. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. And now, and not red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, red, yellow. What? And no, not all. R, 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 R. TH. Now, this Will be a boring game, but wow. Border 1 dot go to negative negative 575 0. Actually, negative 25. Now, I hope that this will work. Green 1, red is second, blue is third, yellow is fourth. Good. Actually, and now, I think that's pretty much done. I think that's actually pretty much done. So I'll see how this game plays out. So I'm going to leave it to run, and and we'll change the score back to 10 instead of 1. And 1. And also there's a bug. Uh, so minus equals 1. So instead we'll just actually do regular updates. So right score. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not right score everywhere, but probably here. Right score. Right score. Not there. Uh, right score. Right score. Right score. Hope this works. Ah, lucky blue. Now it's a matter of patient waiting. This is good, which means that the game is. Which means that the game is. And it means that here we are with a few edits to the original code. I can say that the game is complete. And I could say that the game is complete. And now we'll test. Right, it's still the same bug. Okay, we'll hope there's no same bug if you just. It just goes there. What? Why? Like, why? Reese. It's supposed to go back to where it used to be. Aha! I found the bug. I shouldn't be using else here though. If that equals to -1 though, there's a bug. Wait, wait, whoa, wait, no P3, P3, P1, P2. I like this. -1. Well, I actually like a bit of like a bit of -1 though. Now, if I like actually there's a bit of bugs. Why is this not 4? How I wonder. Probably might have disappointed a lot of people. If P2 dot score equals to -1, and now let's just wait and see. Lucky bug. Red is bugged. So if you're red, you'll be unlucky as there will be bugs. No, goodness. Instead, how I hate the English. We'll win this. Well, we won, and now the ball's gone nowhere. Where's it gone? So there clearly are some problems with this. So it looks like there clearly are problems with this game. And we'll just set the score to be 2 something because I don't want to have any waiting around. Let's just set it to be red. I hope it's not a case of. So I'll just have to let that miss. This is also going to miss. Anyway, the main problem is red. So the main problem is red. And so this is a. So we have this problem again. Find all, basically. Even this. So the ball really doesn't care. And now, after lots of ball wasted around, it probably means I'll have to. have to do this complicated stuff. Times. I'll just probably have to set it to. I'll just probably have to set it to manually. So screen size minus 20 probably. 20. First time I'm going to set any rigid values. Actually, this is negative screen size plus 20. Negative screen size plus 20. That will fix any bugs. And I'm probably not even going to play any. And now. Still this bug, although it does get fixed. A case of probably a fun game of probably what I call as a fun game of unluckiness. Now we just call some of them to be bugged. So yeah, probably a bit of luck in this game involved. Although I try to remove any bits of luck. So I'm going to make brew out on purpose. And now that's it, I just leave it. No time for chess now. So that's it, done. And to make sure that it really works, I'm going to have to do this. Bruh. After long pieces of code, I'm trying to find. Anyway, I'm now going to leave the pedals in its original position. I'm probably going to try again, play Bug House. If this works, doubles Bug House play. Really. Bruh, why'd you just recite like that? Still some time. Let's just play Bullet then. Play. and it works because there's no bugs. And now let's just leave it. No bugs. Well, looks like that is. Oh well. Anyway. Looks like that is it for the video. So please subscribe. Please stop aborting. As I was saying, thank you for watching this video. On the last day of 2021, goodbye. And thanks for 41 subscribers. Please subscribe and please make it 42 or 43. Yes. And I will be very happy and it will be worth quite a lot. Thank you. Now the video is should be over with a suspenseful chess game and with stalling. Goodbye.